Maynilad is one of the biggest IPOs this year. Kasama sa IPO nila ang tinatawag na Stabilization Fund. This fund helps keep the stock price stable sa unang 30 days after listing. Kapag may biglang selling pressure, pwedeng pumasok ang stabilizing agent para bumili ng shares at hindi bumagsak ang share price. Nag-alat ang Maynilad ng up to 249 million shares para sa kanilang stabilization fund at UBS ang kanilang stabilizing agent. At sa IPO price na 15 pesos, ang total value nito ay around 3.7 billion pesos. Noong November 7 sa listing day, nagkaroon ng heavy selling pressure sa PSE at bumaba ang share price ng Maynilad below its IPO price na 15 pesos. So UBS bought 83 million shares to stabilize the share price of Maynilad. And then from November 10 to November 14, may additional 61 million shares na binili para sa stabilization ng price ng Maynilad. As of November 24, wala nang bagong stabilization activity since November 14. And so far, stable naman ang share price ng Maynilad. Around 58% ng stabilization fund ang nagamit na at meron pang 42% na remaining stabilization fund to support Maynilad hanggang sa end ng stabilization period on December 6. Let's see how Maynilad performs after 1 month.